Namaste and welcome back to our channel. Today's topic is past tense. Let's see what is past tense and we will learn about past tense. The past tense is a grammatical tense whose function is to place an action or situation in past time. In languages which have a past tense, it thus provides a grammatical means of indicating that the event being referred to took place in the past. So a verb is used to show that an action was completed. It is known as the past tense. आइए अब हिंदी में समझे पास्ट टेंस क्या होता है। पास्ट या सिंपल पास्ट टेंस के हिंदी सेंटेंसेस की पहचान करने के लिए हिंदी वाक्य के अंत में था, ती, थे या ई या आ, ई आदि शब्द आते हैं। इस प्रकार के टेंस से हमें पता चलता है कि वह कार्य पहले हो चुका है, में किसी क्रिया या कार्य का होना अथवा घटना पास्ट इवेंट के बारे में पता चलता है, वह पास्ट टेंस कहलाता है। सो आई होप you all get what is past tense. The past tense is that if something or any action or event has taken place in past, so that means that is the past tense. So past tense is a second type of tense, and in this we will cover all the aspects and concept of past tense. Let's see what are the types of past tense. The first type is past indefinite, second is past continuous, third is past perfect, fourth is past perfect continuous tense. So these are the types of past tense. Like, share and subscribe this channel. Each type of tense have these category: simple, affirmative, negative, interrogative, negative. As you will see in past indefinite also, you will see simple, negative, interrogative, negative in past continuous as well. So these are the types of past tense. Let's see the uses and purpose of past tense, why we are understanding past tense and where we can use past tense. To form past sentences, speaking English using in past tense, report writing for class 10th, 11th and 12th. We need to write some reports for magazine or for school purpose. So we need to know about past tense, then we can form sentences of past tense. So for story completion, writing and telling stories are the things we tell about past, so past tense is needed. If you are traveling in story writing, report writing, watch video till end, you will get to know what is the past tense. Purpose is that for understanding the past tense. Past indefinite structures. So to form past indefinite sentences, we need to know the structures of past tense. When a verb shows an action was completed in the past, known as past indefinite tense. So let's see the first simple, affirmative and negative structure of past indefinite tense. Subject plus verb second form plus object is the past simple structure. The next is past negative, subject plus did plus not plus verb first form plus object. It is the structure of past negative. So past indefinite interrogative, did plus subject plus verb first form plus object. It is the structure of past indefinite interrogative. Past interrogative negative, did plus subject plus not plus verb first form plus object. It is the past interrogative negative sentence. Let's see examples of past indefinite tense. So these are the example. You sang a song. It is the subject, then verb second form, then object. You can see that these are the example or sentences we use in past indefinite. She saw you yesterday in the market. We went to America for studies. They built the house for their children. Negative sentences: you did not completed your homework. She did not write letter. We did not spend time with our family. Interrogative sentences and interrogative negative: did you sing a song? Did we spend time with our family? Did they not build the house for their children? These are the example for past indefinite. Let's see past continuous tense. So what is past continuous tense and its structure? When a tense is used to show that an action was in progress or incomplete in the past, it is known as the past continuous tense. So structure for the formation of sentences is subject plus was verb plus verb first form plus ing plus object. As you can see, the helping verb is was verb. So where we can use was verb? Was is used with first person and third person. I, he, she and it. So were is used with second person you, they and we. Let's see negative type and interrogative type structure of past continuous tense. Subject plus was, were plus not. Not is the main thing in past continuous negative sentence. Then were first form ing. As you know, it is continuous, so need to put ing plus object. Past continuous interrogative. Question word wh plus was, were plus subject plus were first form plus ing plus object. So you can make the sentences while using this structure formula to make past continuous tenses. Interrogative negative is question word wh plus was, were plus subject plus not plus were first form plus ing plus object. These were the structure for past continuous tense. Let's see past continuous tense example. These are the example for past continuous tense. I was working at 10 p.m. last night. They were not playing football at 9 a.m. this morning. What were you doing at 10 p.m. last night? What were you doing when he arrived? So that was the example for past continuous tense. They were not starting. They were starting. Were you starting? It was the interrogative type. So step by step past tense, you can share this video to know much and more about past continuous tense or past tense. Share. Past perfect tense. So the third type of past tense, which is past perfect tense. So a tense is used to show that an action had completed earlier before another action began. It is known as past perfect tense. Let's see verb. Third form is important in this past perfect tense structure. Subject plus had plus past participle, which is verb third form, plus object. She had finished the test. So this was the kind of past perfect tense. Subject plus had not plus past participle plus object. She had not finished the test. So interrogative type, had plus subject. The helping verb will become first plus past participle plus object. Had she finished the test? So past perfect interrogative negative wh question word plus had plus subject plus not plus verb third form plus object. Let's see example of past perfect tense. I had written articles on various topics before he came. He had read different kinds of book before you came. They had played football in the field before it started to rain. She had gone to the coffee shop before she came home. We had shopped in the shop before we came home. I had practiced the songs before the program started. Had you sung a song? Had they built the house? These were the interrogative types. Let's see fourth type of past tense, which is past perfect continuous tense. So the meaning of the past perfect continuous tense, also known as the past perfect progressive tense, shows that an action that started in the past continued until another time in the past. So the structure of simple affirmative past perfect continuous tense is subject plus had plus been plus were first form, which is fourth form also, plus object plus since for plus time. Negative type, subject plus had plus not plus been plus verb first form ing, which is verb fourth form, plus object plus since for plus time. Let's interrogative type of past perfect continuous tense. Wh question word plus had plus subject plus been plus verb first form ing verb fourth form plus object plus since for plus time. Let's interrogative negative type of past perfect continuous tense. Wh word plus had plus subject plus not plus been plus verb first form ing plus object plus since for plus time. So this is the example of past perfect continuous tense. You can understand by it. They had been playing hockey on that field for 3 hours. The poet had been writing romantic poems since the morning. You can see here we are using subject plus had plus been plus verb first form ing plus object plus since for then time. So these are the example. The lyricist had been writing realistic songs since the beginning of his career. Had you not been enjoying the concert for 3 hours? I had not been watching the cricket match on the television for 2 hours. Richard had been practicing to sing the song since morning. These were the example for past perfect continuous tense. Summary, or we can say the key points for the past tense were: I hope you like and you understood the concept and aspect of past tense. Importance of past tense: this was step by step and all dimensions of past tense were cleared. Remember all the structures to form any kind of past tense. If you want to form kind of past tense, then you can use these structures to form any kind of past tense sentences. We need to know that past tense is to write any story, report, and speaking English. Describing someone, any past event and action, we needed past tense knowledge. So here is a task or exercise for you all, that I will understand that you understood the concept of past tense. So you need to comment that or guess the type of sentence. She left college last year. You need to tell which kind of or which type of sentence it is, and comment your answer in comment box. Subscribe our channel.